Rhizomatous tall fescue has received a lot of attention, but sightings of a variety with actual rhizome enhancement seem to be an illusion. Does it exist? Have you seen it? Is there really such a thing as rhizomatous tall fescue? Well, the answer is now yes. Jacqueline Seed only launches a new variety after extensive testing under research and real-world conditions. With a reputation for quality seed and one of the largest privately funded turfgrass research facilities, Jacqueline Seed has set high standards for its product line. What we are about to show you is our new NoNet spreading type tall fescue with measurable rhizome enhancement. A trial including NoNet was grown for sod in a northern climate with no netting and only 9 months of active plant growth. NoNet is your safety net. Sod production without netting is safer for athletes since there is no netting for cleats to catch on, safer for the environment by eliminating extra plastic netting, and saves the sod producer money in netting costs and extra input to get the turf quality you expect. Jacqueline's NoNet tall fescue was planted in a replicated scientific trial with other competitive varieties that are marketed for their implied rhizomatous traits. Varieties were seeded in the fall at 6 pounds or 30 grams per square meter, with NoNet having no additional support. That means no sod netting. NoNet and one other competitor were the only 2 straight varieties in the test. The rest were marketed blends of several rhizomatous tall fescue varieties. Other results of this trial determined NoNet spreading tall fescue to be user-friendly and able to be harvested with any model of sod cutter. In fact, these trials were conducted with a sod cutter that was less than gentle, and NoNet outperformed other varieties. 12 months later, the trial was harvested and the results recorded. Jacqueline's NoNet spreading type tall fescue with no sod netting was able to be successfully cut for sod. As expected, the blend of Jacqueline Kentucky Bluegrass without netting was rated the best in sod strength. A 60-40 mixture of perennial rye and bluegrass without netting is also shown here for comparison. A competitive straight tall fescue variety with netting shows typical sod strength in production.
Surprised that it actually rips that easy.
Even with netting. Here we see Jacqueline's NoNet. Even without netting and without the addition of another species or blend of varieties, NoNet produced usable tall fescue sod. In addition to its sod strength, NoNet offers superior color, texture, and quality, and rated a 7 in each trait on this sod farm, while some of the other varieties were rated as low as a 5. Pieces of sod were randomly selected and tested for rhizome count. Of the 6 commercially available varieties marketed as rhizomatous with acceptable turf quality, Jacqueline's NoNet had 50% more rhizomes. Rhizomatous tall fescue is no longer an illusion. Just see Jacqueline's NoNet in action, the real spreading turf type tall fescue.